Woodpeckers' Indexable miter gauge merges the graduated extendable fence from our Exact90 miter gauge with the precise indexed angle stops of our StealthStop miter gauge. Put those features together with our patented leaf spring miter bar, and you have a top-shelf miter gauge at a competitive price. For square and common polygon angles, just press the index pin when you're close to the angle you want, and the angle snaps in perfectly. For all the in-between angles, we've upgraded to a crystal clear, laser-accurate acrylic reticle. Even though most table saws say they have a 3/8 by 3/4 miter slot, the width varies between brands and even between saws. Plus, older saws can simply be worn. Our patented leaf spring miter bar fits any slot that's even close. The leaf springs in the edge of the bar adjust on the fly to give you a perfect fit in slots that are irregular, too wide, or even a little too narrow. The graduated back fence expands from 20 inches to 31 inches. You can position the micro-adjustable flip stop anywhere along the fence and dial in the perfect dimension. The stop has a spur that fits back into the fence to keep mitered ends from lifting it, like you can see with simple flag stops. When using the extension, lock the stop on the EXT mark and then use the scale on the extension bar. A sacrificial end block pushes the offcut clear of the blade and prevents backside tear out. The end stops are available in 3 packs from Woodpeckers, or you can make them yourself. And when you're cutting wide stock, the optional flop stop keeps the miter gauge in plane with the tabletop when the fence is off the front edge. If you prefer a miter sled, you can convert the Indexable miter gauge into a sled with the StealthStop Miter Sled Upgrade Kit. Like all Woodpeckers products, the Indexable miter gauge is precisely machined and carefully inspected right here in Strongsville, Ohio. You just can't beat the features and flexibility of the Indexable miter gauge. Order yours today.